Welcome, today I am with GoPro Hero 10 Black and I will show you how you can adjust auto power off option. So at first we have to open notification panel, slide on the right side, enter for the preferences, and next you have to go for the general options. When you are here we can find this option right here, auto power off. So we can select between 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 13 minutes and never. So we can decide. I'm going to honestly turn off this option because I don't need it, and after that we can just click here to go back. As you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.